Okay, just be careful and take your time.
Mark, we go to the other side of the library.
No le spoilen nada.
All the way forward, you guys. Fill in all the available space. Any room on the floor, please fill it up.
The next part, how many
Sneak
pictures?
We're gonna come this way.
You guys can head to your right, just stay behind the yellow line, please.
All the way up to the yellow line.
Any fan of available space? All available space, all available space.
Unlock this door with the key of imagination. Beyond it is another dimension. A dimension of sound. A dimension of sight. A dimension of mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You've just crossed over into the Twilight Zone.
Hollywood, 1939. Amid the glitz and the glitter of a bustling young movie town at the height of its golden age, the Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star in its own right, a beacon for the show business elite. Now, something is about to happen that will change all that. The time is now, on an evening very much like the one we have just witnessed. Tonight's story in the Twilight Zone is somewhat unique and calls for a different kind of introduction. This, as you may recognize, is a maintenance service elevator, still in operation, waiting for you. We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard because in tonight's episode, you are the star, and this elevator travels directly to the Twilight Zone.
Just a quick trip to the boiler room now. Your rooms are ready.
Did you like that?
How you doing, guys? Welcome. I need you guys in the back row to pull those yellow straps on your right hand side. Please pull the yellow straps on your right hand side. The other side. Yep. Pull your straps, guys. For the row, pull your straps. Front row, everybody pull your straps on your right hand side, please. Everybody hands in the air, hands up, hands up, hands up. All say, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, those will be screamed very shortly. You're gonna learn today. Okay, bye.
You were the passengers of the ocean about to ascend into your very own episode of The Twilight Zone. One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator and had a nightmare. That door is opening once again, and this time, it's opening for you. You are about to discover what lies beyond the 5th dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of imagination. Tower of Terror. A warm welcome back to those of you who made it, and a friendly word of warning. Something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time you check into a deserted hotel on the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
Sí, pero ahorita como sale.